Welcome to Engine Explorer, where horsepower meets luxury and innovation has no limits. Today we're taking you inside a machine that's more than just a truck. It's a rolling fortress of luxury. Buckle up as we dive into the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, the truck that's literally richer than your house. From the outside, it commands attention like a freightliner from the future. A 60-wheeler beast, armored in a polished chrome finish that glistens under the sun, stretching longer than most city blocks. But it's not just size that sets this monster apart. It's what's hiding inside that blows every RV, motorhome, and even most homes completely out of the water. As the massive side door slides open with a whisper, you're welcomed by a fully automated smart entry system, biometric security, and ambient lighting that feels like a scene from a sci-fi film. Step in, and your jaw drops. The interior is a masterclass in opulence. Italian leather seats, hand-stitched and reclinable with massage functions, line the front cabin. A panoramic digital dash stretches across, powered by AI navigation, radar-synced adaptive cruise, and voice command everything. Now let's move back into the living quarters. This is where things get unreal. You're greeted by a custom-built kitchen with a marble island, induction cooktops, a full-size Sub-Zero refrigerator, and smart storage that auto-organizes your supplies. Everything is voice-controlled, from your coffee machine to the oven preheat. To your left, a sunken living room with a retractable 90-inch OLED TV, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and zero-gravity lounge chairs. Walls are lined with soundproof insulation and mood lighting that syncs with your music. Yes, we said sunken living room in a truck. Keep walking, you've got 4 separate rooms, including a king-sized master suite, 2 convertible guest rooms, and a fully equipped mini gym. The master bathroom is pure luxury. Rainfall showers, heated floors, backlit mirrors, and even a soaking tub with skyline views thanks to a retractable roof panel. Want to host a party on the go? The upper deck terrace extends hydraulically, complete with lounge seating, a mini bar, and a 360-degree drone surveillance system for your safety. Onboard tech, we're talking satellite internet, solar panel arrays, climate-zoned HVAC, and a battery backup system that could power a small village. This beast runs on a hybrid, hydrogen-electric powertrain, with over 200 horsepower, quiet, clean, and brutally efficient. And here's the kicker, this entire setup is fully self-sustaining for up to 3 weeks off-grid. Freshwater filtration, gray water recycling, rooftop wind turbines. Nothing is left to chance. So is this a truck or a billionaire's bunker on wheels? The 2026 Kenworth T2000 redefines what it means to travel in luxury. It's not just a motorhome, it's a fortress, a penthouse, a mobile lifestyle that makes traditional homes look outdated. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer.